Hi, my cuticle cuties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be displaying the June 2024 giveaway prize. And as you all know, in the year of 2024, I've been gifting nail supplies every month. But before I get into the video, can we get into these nails? Yes, these nails was inspired by the upcoming holiday Juneteenth. Not everybody's familiar with it, but it's part of my culture. So I am feeling these nails. Let me know in the comment section how you like my nails. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, give this video a thumbs up. Like I was saying, every month for the year of 2024, I am gifting nail products. And each month I put out a video and I explain to you the entry rules, and whenever the deadline is, I come live and I pick a winner. Then I put that video out and the winner have a few hours, well, typically 48 hours to notify me. And then I ship them the prize. They email me their shipping information and I go ahead and I ship off the prize. And it's been working out pretty fine. Each month we've had a new winner. So let's get straight into the video. By the way, guys, if you would like to see what the prizes have been all year and who have won them, I'll have all those links in this video description. This month prize is a Beetles nail tips and glue set. It is a box and it has everything you need inside. It has a bottle of nail glue. It has a nail lamp. It has 500 nail tips. It has tools and an application guide. And this is Coffin Long. And if you're not familiar with how to apply Gel X nails, I'll have a link in the description from a video that I did. These are currently Gel X nails as well. I typically wear them for 3 weeks and then I soak them off. If you apply these nails correctly, you will get long-lasting wear from them. Like I said, I redo my nails every 3 weeks. And for the past year, I've been wearing Gel X nails. So you have a whole 500 pack of nail tips. You don't like to wear long nails? That's fine. You can cut them down to whatever your desired size. You don't have to wear these nails long. You can cut them down and shape them to your desired style. But this is the length. A coffin shape. And that's 500 pieces. Have you ever wore Gel X nails? Let me know in the comment section below. We have the application guide. These are instructions you can follow. We have a bottle of nail glue. We have the wire for the nail lamp. And this is the nail lamp. And if you know how to do this properly, once you put the nail on, you have to like secure it like that. That's why you need a hand-free lamp. Okay? So this is what all comes in this kit. Everything you need to create some beautiful, long-lasting nails. And to enter, it is free. But you do have to follow a few rules. And here is the rules that you have to follow. First, you must be subscribed and like this video. You must share this video. If you are a content creator, you can share it on your community wall and you're probably familiar already with how to share. If you're just a YouTube user, you can hit the share button and it'll pop up if you're on your phone, and you can share it in a message, a text message to a friend or family member or something like that, or you can share it to another social media platform. I just would like the video shared out to some other community. You understand what I'm saying? Once you share it, I want you to comment in this video comment section and just write the word done. And that's where I will enter you. I reply back to each entry that I noticed and I put entered. Good luck. Thank you. That is the way that I reply to each entry. This giveaway will run from June 15th to June 23rd. I will announce the winner June 24th. At that time, the winner will have 48 hours to notify me. My email is in my About section. So you must be willing to give me your P.O. Box address or your shipping address so I can get the prize out to you, okay? It's just that simple. And you can win this Beetles nail tip and glue set. Gel X Nails. Good luck to everyone. That's all I have for you guys today. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.